Everyone, welcome back to my channel All Sorted, and in this video I'm going to tell you about if you've made it to TISS Mumbai, if you've made it to any of the courses, how do you make the most of your time in TISS once your admission is done. So there are 5 things that I've noted down, which according to me are very good to know things before you make it to, before you even join the college. I'm an alumnus of the batch of 2019-21 Human Resource Management and Labor Relations. So I have the insider knowledge. I have gone through this journey of 2 years, and through my mistakes, through my learnings, I'm going to make this video so that you are aware of the things beforehand and you can make the most of your time in TISS. Especially this video is going to be helpful for the students who've made it to the management school, the School of Management at TISS, which essentially has HRM, ODCL, Analytics, other courses under School of Management. There are 4 or 5 courses. Point number 1, most of us feel that अभी admission हो गया है टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट में, सो अभी सिल मारने का समय है. But let me tell you, there are some people, there are some aspirants who have made it to the institute, but they still message me on LinkedIn or Instagram saying, Akhil, your videos have helped me, but I want to make the most of my 2 years. So kindly, tell me the things that I should be aware of before even starting the college. I'm joining HRM this year. I'm joining ODCL Analytics this year. Can you tell me some tips that will help me, boost my profile for the summer internships, etc. So I just want to let you know that people are so well prepared and so looking forward. So there are people who will come prepared, right? So I want all of you in the equal footing. So whoever is watching this video, ये आपका benefit हो जाएगा. So I can understand the struggle is kind of over, but once you enter the institute, new kind of struggles, new kind of competition will pop up. So first of all, what happens is the summer internship process starts. There is a fight for getting into placement committee. So different kind of committees are formed. Then there is a fight to get good placements. You need to go with the mindset that the struggle is not yet over. The struggle will never be over. Basically, first, dealt with so many lakhs of students who were applying for the CAT. Now you're getting into institutes, especially if you're into TISS, a batch strength of 70, 80 people. You have to compete with them now, right? To grab the best placement. I'm sure you want to grab the best offer there. Before entering the institute, I want you to do 2-3 essential courses. First of all, MS Excel. Okay? Microsoft Excel आपको आना चाहिए एडवांस लेवल तक. Pivot tables, dashboards, different charts, analysis, data analysis using Excel. Then second is using PowerPoint. ये Microsoft PowerPoint skills. अभी भैया आप बोलोगे ये दो का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है भैया, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ये कॉर्पोरेट में भी यूज़ होगा, आपके केस स्टडी कॉम्पिटिशन्स अंदर भी यही यूज़ होने वाला है. सो कोई भी आप कोर्स यूट्यूब पे कर सकते हो, कोर्सेरा, यूडेमी, देयर आर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. जस्ट सर्च फॉर एडवांस MS Excel कोर्स, any platform, just go enroll yourself, do it, go to the advanced level. Data analysis कैसे करना है यूजिंग एक्सेल से काफ़ी चीज़ें हो जाती है, राइट. देन उसको भी प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है. एक बार आप MS Excel में काम करते हो, फिर पावर पॉइंट पे आते हो, क्योंकि पावर पॉइंट कब काम में आएगा, आप जब प्रेजेंट करते हो ड्यूरिंग योर case study competitions, during your MBA course, during various presentations that happen during the syllabus, during the exams. So these two tools are going to help you a lot, MS Excel, PowerPoint. Now if you want to go a step further, अगर कोई है बहुत उत्सुक बंदा, आई एम श्योर देर आर अ फ्यू, देन डू Tableau और Power BI. Tableau or Power BI are data visualization tools. They will again help you more, especially if you are into analytics program. ये सब आपको सिखाया भी जाता है, but if you do it beforehand, I'm sure you will gain an edge over others. Second part is, you should mingle with people. Point of contact is you will meet your seniors, you will meet your batchmates, get to know them well. Okay, listen to them, listen to their stories, where they are coming from. You will be blessed at TISS to have people from different backgrounds. कोई लॉ से है, कोई मेडिसिन से है, कोई सोशल साइंसेस से है, कोई आर्ट्स करके, कोई BCom, कोई इंजीनियरिंग, कोई बहुत अच्छा वर्क एक्स लेके आया है. सो be in the zone that you want to get to understand people first. Don't be in a hurry to showcase yourself as a higher person than others. Don't get into that competition mode. Get to know different people, because collaborating is going to be very essential. So collaboration versus competition के बारे में समझो. You will need to collaborate with people during your case study competitions, during various presentations, group activities that happen, group quizzes, forming groups. So if you are a good people person, if you are good with communication, if you are hearing others well, if you make good friends from the start, you have that good friendly vibe, that's surely gonna attract people, right? अरे भाई मैं तो engineering बड़े college से आया हुआ हूँ TISS में, people should come and talk to me. Please leave that attitude. You need to be collaborative rather than competitive. Leave your ego aside. Talked about summer internship, for especially for School of Management. The summer internship, things begin just 3 months after you are into MBA. So essentially आपका 10-12 graduation marks वहाँ पे shortlisting criteria बन जाता है, right? So don't get bogged down when you don't get good shortlist. It's okay, because that's not in your control. What's in your control is making the best use of your time. So be good at data analysis skills, Excel skills, PowerPoint skills, data visualization skills, data storytelling skills. Storytelling is again going to be a very important skill that will help you in your summer internships or wherever you go. Okay, so that was point number one. Now point number two, TISS is a great place to make friends. Okay, so most of us come with the attitude कि यार जो friends होते हैं, हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि वो तो बचपन के friends होते हैं. I was surprised that I could really make great friends in TISS. Probably because the batch strength is very low. Okay, 70-80 odd students. If I talk about HRM, you get to know people very well. I can tell you 4 or 5 good friends that I have, which I never thought I could make. Right, so get to know people from the day one. Connect with them on social media. If you're there on LinkedIn or Instagram, WhatsApp, take that effort to know the other person. And very importantly, don't form chota groups. If you are coming from Delhi, if you are coming from Mumbai only, if you are coming from, let's say, Maharashtra, then Parathi background. So don't just get inclined towards people of a similar background. कि भाई इसने इंजीनियरिंग किया है, मैंने भी इंजीनियरिंग किया है, चलो हम दोस्त हो गए. ये बचपने वाली थिंकिंग थोड़ा सा साइड करनी पड़ेगी, because you'll realize at the end it does not matter. It matters how good friends you are, and friends need not to be from the same background. ठीक है? So make friends from all diverse, backgrounds, different states. So it's a beautiful campus. Even if there are small groups that are already formed, you're seeing North people are getting, Delhi ke people are going sideline, Maharashtra people are going sideline. You please do not be the person who is just a part of one group. So that mistake is something which I had made. That I thought that people will not entertain me in their groups. Their groups are already formed, but it doesn't work like that. It's always good to break the ice first. Go introduce yourself, talk to them. There are always some similar points which you can bond over. Remember, there are 55 other courses at TISS Mumbai. Don't limit yourself to only your course. So when it comes to taking guidance from your seniors, again, very important point. Don't shy away. If you are an introvert, don't think how will people think or react. Please go to your seniors and make good bonds with them. They are going to ultimately help you during your internships, final presentations, case studies, how they approached it. Seniors के साथ अपना introduction जाके खुद करना है. Don't think people are going to come to you. So again, that was the mistake I made. Did not interact with a lot of seniors, thinking कि मुझे क्या जरूरत पड़ेगी, मेरे batch से इतने लोग हैं, so I don't need people. But I was wrong in that. So have friends from your seniors, from different courses, also from your courses, but don't limit yourself to a particular small chota group. Okay, coming to the point number 3, when I talked about great friends, obviously people also look for their second placement in TISS. ये second placement क्या है भाई? Second placement, first placement तो जब आप job placement देखते हो, second placement is your life partner. There are a lot of examples in my batch also, in my seniors batch, who got married to each other. So that can also happen. So if you are single right now, there is a very good chance that people are quite open to interact with each other. Especially from other batches, people will come and talk to you. You talk to them. That's how you get to know each other. TIS is the cool place. Something or the other, some events happen. So you volunteer yourself, be a part of different groups, not just of your course, but at the institute level, being good friends with people, and ultimately you can get your second placement too. Okay, probably the most important point, number 4, what I want you to do to make most of your time is have good habits. With good habits, you can maximize your productivity, gain the most of your classrooms, whatever teaching is going to happen. Be very alert, conscious during your classes. So, what are the most important habits? First of all, good sleep is important, good nutrition is important, and good exercise. These three habits are directly related to your productivity, to your efficiency, to taking the most of the learnings inside you and not struggling at the end during exams, and be full of energy. So good sleep, good nutrition, good exercise. This is the tripod. So for good sleep, obviously you'll need to exercise first so that your body is exhausted. So get up early in the morning. That is the habit number one. If classes are starting at 8, 9 a.m., don't be the person who gets up at 8 a.m. Again, that was one of the mistakes that I made. I missed some of the classes. I missed breakfast. Then I was lethargic. तो क्या होगा, आप लेट उठोगे, आप रश करोगे टुवर्ड्स द क्लास, you'll miss the breakfast, you'll feel hungry, you'll not be attentive in the class. सेकेंड हाफ हो जाएगा, you'll wait for the lunch hour में भूख इतनी लगेगी, आप ठूस ठूस के खाओगे, देन रोटी खाओगे, राइस खाओगे, देन आपको सेकेंड हाफ में क्लासेस में नींद आएगी. So just remember, just because of one habit of getting up late in the morning, whole day goes for a toss. The efficiency and productivity goes for a toss, and your hours will become days, days will become years, right? Your 2 years will go to waste.
Oh
So don't be
my
that person.
God.
You need to be very super energetic to contribute in the class, listen to the class, interact with the teachers, ask questions. For that, you need good sleep previous day. For that, you need to sleep on time, right? Get up on time, do some exercise, go for pranayam, go for brisk walk, go for running, go for jogging. Or if you want, go join a gym. There is a gym inside the campus too, right? But spend that 1 hour before the class with yourself exercising or doing meditation, pranayam, something so that that gets you activated throughout the day. That's how a brilliant student will work. They will make the most of your day. But आपको अभी से डालनी है, not waiting for when the college starts, because once that schedule is kicked in from the start, the momentum will be very difficult to break, right? Habits is linked to your performance directly, to your placements directly. Point number 5, although I said, you need to be conscious, have good habits, you need to interact with people, make friends, learn MS Excel, Power BI, Tableau, PowerPoint skills, data visualization skills. ये सब आपको करना ही है, but most importantly, have fun. Have fun during your 2 years, because this time is not going to come again. This is the final time you get to be a student, full-time student on campus. Especially when you're in Mumbai, you can get to visit Marine Drive. You can get to have amazing food places nearby TIS Mumbai campus. In Chembur, there are amazing places. Camp, there are amazing places. There are various clubs to party, etc. Don't get into bad habits of smoking and drinking. Even if you are a smoker or drinker, please quit this habit. This is not going to help you anyway. So stay away from smoking, drinking, or any kinds of intoxicants. That is just going to spoil everything for you. There are so many good ways of enjoying, having fun, playing sports, getting involved in clubs and committees, taking participation in different activities that happen. So TIS is a very unique campus. There are so many festivals happening, so many different courses are in, so many different events, cultural events where you can participate, dance, sing, perform, sports. TIS Manthan, if you just go to the Google and search TIS Manthan activities, beautiful event. So be part of clubs, committees, engage yourself completely so that आपके पास time ही नहीं बचना चाहिए फालतू बातों के लिए. Throughout the day you are engaged, and throughout the day you are doing something or the other with people, surrounded by people, not getting isolated. Even if you're low, if you're feeling low, your good friends are going to support you and be your mood booster. So साथ में लेके चलो सबको, collaborate करो, वो बंदा बनो जो सबको साथ में लेके चलता है, and you'll have amazing time in TISS. I can guarantee that. And I hope this video helps you. I wish you all the best. Do subscribe to the channel and like this video for more such amazing content, insider tips. I'm going to make more videos on how to make your 2 years successful. So this was the part 1. Soon you can expect part 2. So hit on subscribe and put on all notifications on so that you never miss such videos. I wish you all the best. I hope this video helps. Stay tuned to this channel. Stay all sorted. Bye bye. Take care.